Hare Krishna. Now we'll move on to Harikathamrtasara, 6th class. ವಾಮದೇವ ವಿರಿಂಚಿತನಯ ಉಮಾ ಮನೋಹರ ಉಗ್ರದೂರ್ಜಟಿ ಸಾಮಜಾಜಿನ ವಸನ ಭೂಷಣ ಸುಮನಸೋತ್ತಂಸ ಕಾಮಹರ ಕೈಲಾಸ ಮಂದಿರ ಸೋಮ ಸೂರ್ಯಾನಲ ವಿಲೋಚನ ಕಾಮಿತಪ್ರದ ಕರುಣಿ ಸಮಗೆ ಸದಾ ಸುಮಂಗಳವ. ದಾಸರು ನಾವು ಪ್ರೇಯಿಂಗ್ ಮಹಾರುದ್ರ ದೇವರು ವಿತ್ ವಂಡರ್ಫುಲ್ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್. Maharudra Devaru is most handsome and pleasing personality. He is meditating upon Lord Srihari within his left side part of the body, so he is called as Vamadevaru as well. It is elaborately quoted in Garuda Purana of Brahmakanda. Maharudra Devaru is son of Virinchi, the Brahma Devaru. At the 8th year of world creation, four-headed Brahma and Vayudevaru got Vaikarika Rudra and Tejasa Rudra as their sons accordingly. While Tamasa Rudra born to Sri Sheshadevaru at the 10th year of Brahmanda creation. Rudradevaru is husband of Uma Devi Parvati the Katyayani, so he is called as Uma Manohara. He is also called as Ugra because he participates at the Laya Karya, at the annihilation work of the world. He is also Ugra, fearful to the enemies. Even he became Ugra during the Dakshayajna movement that everyone know. He decorated the holy Ganga when it came to Bhuloka from the Antariksha Loka. He could tolerate the falling force of river Ganga. Moreover, his hair of the color of holy ashes, so he is called as Dhurjati. He is decorated with the skin of elephant as clothing, so he is Samajajina Vasana Bhushana as well. He is superior to many devatas. He is in Kaksha 5. He will be worshipped by all the devatas starting from Kaksha 6. He killed Manmatha by burning him with his eye. When the Manmatha tried to disturb the tapassu of Maharudra Devaru, so he is called as Kamahara as well. He is decorated Chandra god in his left eye, Surya god, the sun god, in his right eye, and also decorated with Agni Deva god in his third eye, positions in the forehead. So he is Phalanetra. His abode is Mount Kailasa of Himalayas. O Maharudra Deva, you are more merciful. Please bless us with all the worldly happiness along with the knowledge of Sri Hari. ಕೃತ್ತಿವಾಸನ ಹಿಂದೆ ನೀ 40 ಕಲ್ಪ ಸಮೀರನಲಿ ಶಿಷ್ಯತ್ವ ವೈಶ್ಯ ಕೀಳಾಗಮಾರ್ಥಗಳೋದಿ ಜಲಧಿಯೊಳು 10 ಕಲ್ಪದಿ ತಪವಗೈದಾದಿತ್ಯರೊಳಗುತ್ತಮ ನೆನೆಸಿ ಪುರುಷೋತ್ತಮನ ಪರ್ಯಂಕ ಪದವೈ ತಿದಯೋ ಮಹಾದೇವ. Rudradevaru is having the skin of tiger as decorative dressings, looking very beautiful and famous, so called as Kruttivasana. He is also Mahadeva as he is superior to many gods, devatas below Kaksha 5. Rudradevaru has studied under Sri Vayudevaru for 40 long days kalpas, 40-day kalpas. He was a student to Vayudevaru during previous Brahmanda days and qualified in study of Vedas. After getting qualified, he also meditated for 10-day kalpas at holy oceans. 1 day of Brahma is 864 crore human life years in calculation. So we can imagine how much time Rudradevaru took on studies and meditation. So he is powerful. Maharudra Devaru during next Brahmanda creation, he will be decorated with the post of Seshadevaru. So he is Bhavi Seshadevaru as well. He will be bed for Lord Narayana, the Purushottama, during next universe. In 12 hours of Chaturmukha Brahma, the daytime, totally 1000 Manu yugas will be rolled out. One Mahayuga is a group of 4 yugas, namely Kruta, Treta, Dwapara and Kali Yuga. This altogether called as Mahayuga of 432 lakh years. During the daytime, 12 hours of Brahma, totally 14 Manus will rule the universe. Each Manu will be ruling 71 Manu Yugas approximately. So 1000 Mahayugas will pass in one daytime of Chaturmukha Brahma. For information, now Vaivasuta Manu is ruling us, and it is now 28th Mahayuga under Vaivasuta Manu rule, and we are in 28th Kali Yuga age. How exactly our Bhagavatam scheme provides timeline of the universe, or we are not proud of our Indian Tattvajnana? We should be proud of that. ಪಾಕಶಾಸನ ಮುಖ್ಯ ಸಕಲ ದಿವೌಕ ಸರಿಗಭಿ ನಮಿಪೆ ಋಷಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಚಿತ್ತದಿ ಪಿತೃಗಳಿಗೆ ಗಂಧರ್ವ ಕ್ಷಿತಿಪರಿಗೆ ಆ ಕಮಲನಾಭಾದಿಯತಿಗಳ ನಿಗಕ ನಮಿಸುವೆನ ಬಿಡದೆ ರಮಾಕಳತ್ರನ ದಾಸ ವರ್ಗಕ್ಕೆ ನಮಿಪೆ ನನವರತ. In this Mangalasharana Sandhi, in first 11 Padyas, the Dasaru submitted his namaskaras, salutations to all the higher devatas, starting from Sri Hari and Mahalakshmi Devi. In this Padya, he briefly submits his salutations to all the previous devatas, rishis, gandharvas, yatis, haridasas, and all the sattvika souls. Soparni, Varani, Parvati of Kaksha 7 are spouses of Garuda, Sesha, and Rudra. Pakashasana, the Indra Devaru, is the control of Swargaloka. He is administrator of as well. All other devatas will report to him. Prajapatis, Rishis, Munis, all will work as per the guidelines laid down by Indra Devaru. Of course, Indra Devaru will follow the guidelines of Brahma Devaru, Vayudevaru, and Rudra Devaru. Dasaru gives special namaskaras to all the gurus in the Madhva lineage, starting from Guru Padmanabha Tirtharu. They all are great devotees of Sri Hari and Vayu and Guru Madhvaru. He also submits his namaskaras to all the Haridasas who are doing marvelous work in spreading Hari Mahime through their Pada, Padya, Ugabhoga, Suladi in Karnataka Bhasha. Sri Jagannatha Dasaru, he himself a great Haridasa. We have to be very grateful to him for guiding us. His work, Harikatamrasara, is nothing but Moksha Shastra, a guide to the road leading to Satchastra studies further. ಪರಿಮಳವು ಸುಮನದೊಳಗನಲನು ಅರಣಿಯೊಳಗಿಪ್ಪಂತೆ ದಾಮೋ ಧರನು ಬ್ರಹ್ಮಾದಿಗಳ ಮನದಲ್ಲಿ ತೋರದಲೇ ಇರುತಿಹ ಜಗನ್ನಾಥ ವಿಠಲನ ಕರುಣ ಪಡೆವ ಮುಮುಕ್ಷು ಜೀವರು ಪರಮ ಭಾಗವತರನ್ನು ಕೊಂಡಾಡುವುದು ಪ್ರತಿದಿನವೂ. The fragrance of a beautiful flower is attracting everyone. The fragrance is inherent character of a beautiful flower. Like that, Lord Sri Hari will be always present within the hearts of Brahma, Vayu and other higher level of devatas as fragrance. These higher level devatas are like fragrance of a flower also. The Lord will be with higher concentration in them. The Lord's existence, Vibhuti Rupa, will be much felt in them. The firewood is nothing but a stored energy. We will get fire from firewood after following certain process to extract the fire. Like that, Sri Hari will be also available, active in the hearts of other lower level of devatas and pious souls. Anyhow, it is clear that Lord Sri Hari will be in the hearts of higher souls, Sattvika souls. We have to get blessings of them all, the goddesses, gods, Tattvabhyani devatas, gurus and all the Sattvika souls. All the Sattvika souls are Parama Bhagavataru, a great ascetic people, blessed by Supreme God Himself. We need the blessings of all those Parama Bhagavataru. They are all souls got their birth to bless us, and they also to get higher level knowledge for themselves. They are useful to us. They will bless us. They will guide us. Thus, the Guru Parampara will continue to serve the mankind to show the guidance to the Sattvika souls. Now we listen to Harikatamsara Padya by pressing the button link provided. This is an initiative of Bharatiya Haridasa Sahitya Vidyalaya Bengaluru in the service of Haridasa Sahitya for the last 25 years. Hare Krishna.